In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your LinkedIn Ads account to HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over right here to your HubSpot and go over to your Marketing tab. Now, once you're in there, the next thing that you need to do is to head over to the Ads section. If you can't find it, you can proceed to click onto the search, but it's typically easy to find. So head over and click on this. From in there, you can see the ads that you can actually connect. As you can see their ad campaigns, your ad sequences, and the likes. If you can find the option to create a new ads or connect a new ad segment, you can head over and click on create right here. Or, more importantly, click onto the search and you can proceed the search for LinkedIn. In there, you can find LinkedIn ads, so click on it. Now, once we're in there, click onto this connect account. In here, we can see our LinkedIn. So click on this. And then after that, this will open right here, this new window that allows us to log in into our LinkedIn account to connect it to HubSpot. So just log into your account and follow the on-screen instructions in order to do this. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.